Today I will show you how to fix the memory issues which you see while booting up Windows 7. So this is error what we are facing. First you need to boot your PC into safe mode. Let me get these options for you. In some PCs we press F8 while bringing those options and booting up. Here I'm going to show you. Okay, my PC is booting up again. Now you do select safe mode. Wait for some time. This process will take around half a minute. View by small icons, that's correct. Okay, go to administrative tools. Windows memory diagnostic, double click on it. Then click on restart now and check for the problems recommended. Just wait for it until your system is booting up again. My PC is bit slow. Okay, now it's starting up again. Okay, now you will see the screen. Windows is checking for the memory problems, and let this process gets completed. Don't press any key and wait for till this process gets completed till 100%. I will just pause this video and come back once it's done. Okay friends, as you can see, overall test status is about to complete. It's 99% as of now. Okay, once it's done, your Windows will start. Should wait for the Windows, your PC to get reboot. So PC is booting up again. As you can see, it's sitting for the username and password, and the issue is resolved.